Just a quick update on the latest GDK-in-a-box. I've already got UTM installed, but it's really simple. Downloaded the latest GDK-in-a-box zip and unzipped it. So let's get rid of that, and I can just double click on the VM and that will automatically be added. I'm just going to check if the RAM and cores are persisted, so that's all great. So I just need to start that up. That confirms the credentials to log in from the console, the URL to access GDK, and GitLab login. We just have one more thing to do to add some SSH keys to our local machines. So if we can run this, bash, hopefully. Right, and then if we keep our fingers crossed, we should be able to see if that's up and running yet. And yeah, that looks promising. And we should be able to connect. So remote SSH, connect to host, and it'll be Debian at gdk.local. I think we're connected, and then we can open a folder. So we're going to open the GitLab development kit folder. And we are good to go. Trust, yes. Open our terminal. And we should be able to access the browse console. In the GitLab folder. So I'm actually better off. Open folder. I've opened the GitLab development kit folder. I should have opened the GitLab folder. It's better up as the starting point. Open the terminal. So Rails. Let's try and make a quick change to see if it actually does what I expect it to do. So yeah, that looks like it's working well. And sign up restrictions is in here, so I should be able to make a change. Reload this page. There we go. Good to go.